So, hello and welcome to the founders. So, we are at 704 problem on the lead code based on binary search. So, it's a easy problem. So, let me go through the question. Given a sorted in ascending order integer array norms of n elements and target value. Write a function to search target in norms. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. So it is kind of a basically similar solution that shared you yesterday or the day before. So what the example is telling is here. So let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose if you are given input of numbers with this listed elements or the candidates, suppose there is 0 -1 0 3 5 9 12, and you have a target to return the index of 9. So here is the element or the candidates listed in the list of array, and you have to return its index value, and as you can see the output is 4. So let's us count in which index does this 9 fall. Okay, 0 1 2 3 and 4. As you can see the 9 is in this index, and so explanation: 9 exists in the norms and its index is 4. So example 2 is showing about that if it does not fall under this list of array, if the candidate does not fall in the list of array, then your output should return of -1. So explanation: here if 2 does not exist in the norms, so return -1. So here is the note: you may assume that all elements in norms are unique and will be in the range of 1 to 1000. The value of each element in norms will be in the range of -9999 to positive of 9999. So let me take you through the solution. Okay, let us begin. accept. Sorry, this was my mistake.